Hey everyone, welcome to my Super Affiliate System review. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing John Crestani's course. His latest version of this course is the Super Affiliate System 3.0, and what's on the agenda for this video is what you're staring at right here on the screen. We're going to break down the members area so you know exactly what you're getting, what you're going to be taught, and we're also going to be covering the resources, which is quite important. He does provide some good resources for getting started, not started with the course, but supplement the course. Forum, and that's going to be in the community section, and the weekly live webinars or the weekly calls. Then towards the end of the video, we're also going to be covering the pros and cons, and we're going to be wrapping it up by taking a look at my Super Affiliate System review article, as you see right here behind this window. So this is a much more in-depth piece of content that you're going to be getting, and it explains exactly basically what you're going to get in the video, but a lot more. It's going to explain to you the Super Affiliate System 3.0 bonus that I am offering if you do decide to get John Crestani's course. And the reason why I'm offering these specific bonuses is because I've gone through this course. Like I said, I've taken, if I haven't said it, forgive me, but I have taken and been a member of John's course for 2+ years. And recently he opened up the 3.0, so I had to go through it again. I took a lot of notes, and there were some weaknesses that I spotted. A little background about me: I'm a professional PPC marketer with Google Ads. So these are more tailored towards Google Ads and a little bit of website, more options. So we'll get into this here shortly towards the end. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video. For now, let's get back to the demo of John Crestani's course so you know exactly what you're getting. This is the homepage of Super Affiliate System 3.0, and this is where you're going to find everything basically summarized, what's going on with the course, the top posts in the forum, the tools on the right hand side, the calendar of the next live training. But most of the time you're just going to be clicking through to view this training. And this is really where the meat and potatoes of the course are, if you would. All right, so one of the things you're going to want to keep in mind here is that John's been teaching affiliate marketing to beginners for a long time. So he has a certain style of teaching his content, his course, and I think his teaching style has evolved and improved actually since his version 1 of this course, and then version 2 and Internet Marketing Jet Set, etc. And the reason I say that is because the first module is actually mandatory. You have to watch each one of these videos before skipping ahead to week 1, for example. You can try. I mean, it'll work for me because I've actually gone through each one of these. But if you were to just start off brand new and click here, it would actually tell you that you have to go back and watch module 1. It wouldn't let you continue watching. But don't worry, that's only for the welcome module. And the reason I think he does that is because he really wants you to understand the Super Affiliate System, how it works, and make sure you have a good foundation so you actually complete the course and start making some money via these paid networks that you're about to learn how to use. All right, let's continue on here. There's week 1 through week 6. Week 1 is really just understanding the affiliate marketing funnel, which is just a series of 3 steps, but John does a good job of breaking it down and really explaining how the affiliate network works, the website works, where you come into play, what a pre-sale page is, how to set up the pre-sale page. As you can see, there's 2 methods. There's the ClickFunnels method, and then there's a manual method. The manual method is actually going to cost you nothing because once you have hosting, it's fine. You'll be good to go. But ClickFunnels, that's going to cost you anywhere between $19 to $97 per month plus. We'll talk about this later. I also have a third method if you want that. It's offered in my Super Affiliate System bonus. But either way, that's week 1. You also get taught Facebook ads in week 1. So these are the 2 core video lessons. There's more video lessons about Facebook, but for some reason Facebook is in week 1 and it does not have its own week. All right, week 2 is Google Ads Setup, which is quite frankly my favorite traffic source when it comes to affiliate marketing and local marketing. You're going to get an introduction basically of how to set up a search campaign, a Google display ad campaign. You're going to learn how to set up a conversion pixel with Google Ads. So the affiliate network, by the way, that you're going to be using mainly in this course is ClickBank. And ClickBank provides you a pixel that you can use to track cart impressions and sales, so you know exactly which Google ad is leading to sales, for example. And then there's going to be Google ad mistakes and a wrap up. Now, I will say a little extra about this, and this is more expanded upon in my review article. But there's a few steps that John Crestani misses, and that primarily is he doesn't talk about negative keywords. He does not talk about the different match type of keywords. So you might be saying, what are you talking about? So essentially what he's doing is he's saying, okay, add these keywords to your campaign so your ads can show up for these keywords. But he's not telling you the different types. There's broad match modified, there's phrase match, and there's exact match. Now, the one he's having you add, it costs the most money because it's a broad match. It's not broad match modified. Anyways, I go a lot more into that in my bonus. I'll talk about that towards the end of the video. Let's move on here to week 3. All right, so week 3 is similar to week 2. You're learning a different traffic source now, although it's still in the Google Ads system, right? Because Google owns YouTube. And you're basically going to be learning how to set up a YouTube ad campaign, how to set up your channel, and how to, for example, exclude mobile, which is actually a big pro, and I'll talk about that more in the pros and cons section. All right, next up is the Advanced Ad Tactics module, and this is where John Crestani gives a microphone over to colleagues of his or past students of his that took coaching, etc., things of that nature. They're going to be talking about Facebook ads and mistakes that are making, how to be compliant basically, how to track conversions as an affiliate on any network, how to break through this is basically the mental game, copywriting. This is what Ronnie's going to be talking about mainly, copywriting, which is, I mean, they're pretty short videos. You're not going to learn, I mean, it's good knowledge, right? But you really have to apply it, okay? Copywriting, you actually have to practice. So you'll get practice when you start writing your ad copy. All right, next up is pre-sale pages and scaling. Now, pre-sale pages, if you didn't know, is just the page that a person hits once they click on an advertisement. Like they search for best weight loss course for 2019, for example, and they see an ad. And then the page that they land on, that is the pre-sale page. Whatever button or link is on that page is the affiliate marketer's link, and then gets taken to the sales page and buys. That X person gets a commission, the person in the middle controlling the pre-sale page. So that's what week 5 is all about, how to improve that pre-sale page, how to split test so you can have 2 different variations and see which one performs better. I really like that lesson here. John's going to teach you how to track which page is performing better on ClickBank as well, which involves affiliate tracking IDs, which is quite important. All right, and then the rest is quite self-explanatory, scaling basics, payout bumps, and wrapping that up there. And last but not least is product selection, which is week 6. Week 6 is all about you deciding what niche you want to go in. Are you going to stick in the BizOp niche, right? Selling products of like being successful, making money online type of stuff? Or are you going to go in the health niche and sell those type of products? Or are you going to go in the happiness/love niche? You can go, those are the 3 major niches. He's going to explain a pretty formulaic way of deciding what sub or sub niche you're going to get into. All right, so we've come to the resources section of this review video. Let's quickly cover this here and what it entails. So once you go to the resources page, you're going to have access to targeting data, which is really good if you're in the BizOp niche, because that's what John Crestani provides. He's basically going to give you a buyers list, which you can upload to Facebook, for example, to create a targeted lookalike audience. And this will help you target basically the right people that are interested in make money online opportunities. And there's actually another buyers list here that this is actually for other niches if you want to promote that. There's Google keywords here, and this is keyword data that you're going to be targeting. So John Crestani is basically giving you keyword data to put into your Google Ads campaign so you can show up for certain keywords. And to be honest, for me, I'm split on the Google keywords he provides, as you'll see, and I'll bring that up here towards the end in my bonus section. So there's ad swipes provided also, Facebook ad swipes, Facebook video ads, Google ad swipes. So as you can see, this is the best working ad to use to promote Super Affiliate System on Google. So if you wanted to promote John's course and you wanted to promote it and get a commission and run Google ads, you could do that, and he basically gives you the best performing YouTube ads, Google ads, email swipes. Next up is the pre-sale page section. This is where John provides you with different landing pages for different niches, and there's going to be the ClickFunnels method and then the manual method. Basically, if you choose ClickFunnels, then you're going to be able to import this to your account. This one's the free method. It's a little bit technical, but John does explain it and in the course how to set this part up. As you can see, there's other ClickBank product pre-sale pages there. The next part is affiliate networks and advertising networks, a list of these two that you can go to. Just keep this in mind, John Crestani's course, the 3.0 version, only teaches Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and that's pretty much it. Now, that he used to teach back in Super Affiliate System 2.0, native advertising, and I believe he taught a little bit more of Bing ads there, but it's very similar to Google ads. If you can do Google ads, you can do Bing ads, so that's not too big of a deal there. I do wish he taught native advertising here. I think it's a little bit more technical, so maybe that's why he did not go that route and add it to this course. All right, so next up is the legal resources, which is just in case Facebook or Google disapprove your ad, then you can send them this copy of John Crestani's letter, basically explaining to Google and or Facebook to approve your ad and have it running. Other recommended vendors, you can see that there, and course archives. So if you want to go back in time and take John's first version of Super Affiliate System, or his Internet Jet Set course, which is the free traffic methods course, or Super Affiliate System 2.0, you can check those out. However, they're no longer supported. All right, so next up is John Crestani's affiliate forum, which isn't the most active forum in the world, but forums are still a good way that affiliate marketers get to learn, and it's sometimes better than having a Facebook group. This course does not have an official Facebook group anymore. It used to for IM Jet Set, but most of the talking and discussions of this course are in these forums. So is this forum any good? I would say so, because it's quite active with the members in the course, and a lot of people provide different posts within this forum that are quite helpful. For example, the other day I was looking through the Google Ads forum, and I found an answer to a question that I've actually been curious about for a long time. So, I mean, I know I can't show you that because it's not my place to show you everything when it comes to this course, but it's definitely helpful. All right, so we're back to my Super Affiliate System review article. And we're almost done with this video review, guys. So thanks for hanging in there with me. We're going to be covering the pros and cons here. The first pro is that John's teaching style is really good for paid advertising beginners. The second one that I like, especially for beginners, is email list. There's no email list or email marketing that's going to be taught in this course. It's not required for you. And as a beginner, that's okay. The next one up is done for you funnels, ad copy, and targeting data. So John Crestani, as you saw in the resources section, provides that for you, so that's definitely a plus. Last but not least, the traffic skills you're going to be learning here from this course is going to be useful to you in any future online marketing endeavor. So what you're going to be learning in John's course are skills that are in demand in everywhere. When it comes to local client work or affiliate marketing, you're going to be able to take these skills and apply them to other places. So a few of the cons here is that there's only one niche used as an example throughout the whole course, and that's John Crestani's course. So he's going to be using his course as a demo product, as a demo affiliate product. The second con is that there's no native advertising module like there was in Super Affiliate System 2.0. I really would have liked to see better and improved video lessons for native advertising. And my last con here is that some of the modules have information missing that should be covered, in my opinion. And as I said here, see the Super Affiliate System bonuses section. So I brought this up earlier in the video. What my bonus entails basically is if you decide to get Super Affiliate System through any link on this page, and then you send me a screenshot of your receipt basically, then I'm going to be sending you my video bonuses to complement John Crestani's course. So these are the video tutorial bonuses that you're going to be getting. The first one is the A to Z guide to downloading John's funnel using the manual method. I mentioned the manual method earlier, and this is just the alternative way of instead of using ClickFunnels, okay? But when he explained the manual method, he did skip over or make it a little bit confusing for a beginner to follow along, and there's a missing intermediate step that can screw you up. So I'm going to basically include that in the video and make sure you understand how to set that up. It involves a file manager on Bluehost. So it's not too technical, but I have included that as the first bonus. Second of all, there's the training on Google Ads keyword match types. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the keyword match types: exact match, phrase match, broad match modified, broad match. I'm going to show you in what cases you want to use each one of those and which ones I recommend, especially for if you want to promote an affiliate product, for example. And let's say in a scenario where you have a lower budget to work with, I'm going to tell you which keyword type that I recommend the most. Next up is the negative keywords tutorial, and this is to optimize your Google ad campaigns, specifically the keywords, and you'll only really need to do negative keywords when you're using phrase match and broad match modified, and especially broad match. Next up is a video tutorial on how to split test landing pages on WordPress that doesn't involve ClickFunnels. Remember, John Crestani has a split testing page module, but that only works when you're using ClickFunnels. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to do it with a tool that only costs a one-time cost, so you don't have to pay monthly. All right. So, and lastly here, I'm going to show you a third method of creating landing pages, which is also not a monthly price. And it's a little bit less technical than the manual method, the way John Crestani explains it. So in order to receive those bonuses, just make sure to drop me an email or contact me using this button here. And by the way, I'm going to be leaving a link to this review article in the description below. And please allow 24 to 48 hours to have these bonuses delivered to you. All right, so my final thoughts on John Crestani's Super Affiliate course, system course. As a beginner, if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing using paid traffic sources, I can't think of a better course. Honestly, John Crestani's course is a good training wheels course. You'll see that it's not perfect, no course is, and eventually you're going to want to go and expand your learning, go into more advanced affiliate forums. That's where you're going to find affiliates, super affiliates who are doing really well and using advanced tactics. But John's course is really one of the biggest and most helpful stepping stones to get there. So I hope you liked this video, guys. This is my review video. If you do decide to get Super Affiliate System, make sure to go to this page. Link is in the description below. Click the button or any link on this page, and then I'll deliver you the bonuses that I told you about, and I'll deliver those to your email inbox. And do make sure to get Super Affiliate System through this page if you do decide to get it. The reason why I'm saying is because I do have a discounted link to John Crestani's course, and it is applied at checkout, a coupon code. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys and see you in the next video.